Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to share how I did my cocoa slash coffee table this year. Well, it's the first year that I do it. I saw a lot of nice ideas online. So I'm going to share what I bought and how I am going to be doing it. I literally have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going to bought a bunch of stuff and see what comes out of it. All my things for my cocoa table and cocoa slash coffee table I bought at my Dollar Tree and at my local 99 cents only store. Everything was super affordable. I think like the most expensive thing I bought was like $3, $3.50. I didn't want to spend too much money because Christmas is expensive and there's so many things that I have to buy, so I was trying to do it like on a low budget. So I really hope you guys enjoy. It's the first time I'm doing it. I'm not like a professional. I've never done it before. So hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, I'm finally done and I'm really happy with how it came out. This piece was only $1.50 at the 99-cent store and I really like it. I feel like it would be $5 at Walmart or Target, anywhere else. Everything else I got at the Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. That hot cocoa night thing in the pack I got for $2.50 last year. The coffee mugs were 99 cents at the 99-cent store. That little jar with the marshmallows is from the Dollar Tree. That little tree is from the dollar store and it was $1.50. Everything was pretty much from the dollar store, or a couple things are from like the dollar spot at Target. And I'm really happy with it. It's just missing the LED lights that I'm gonna add. And all this is also from the Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. These I got at the Dollar Tree. These are from the 99-cent store and it's 6 pieces. This is from the 99-cent store only and it was $2.99, which is an okay price, not that good, but this was 99 cents and I went back and there was no more. It's like to hang in at your door or wherever you want. So yeah, this is a final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment, and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye.